a fun snow day.
Wow, Lily, this snowy day is so cold and beautiful.
Yes, Jackson, the snow is falling so beautifully.
The ground is fully covered with white snow.
Yes, everything looks clean, bright, and peaceful.
Look at the snowman we made in front of the house.
It looks very funny and cute.
I feel so happy standing here with you.
Me too. This is a perfect snow day.
The snow is still falling slowly on us.
Yes, I can feel it on my clothes.
Our snowman is standing very close to us.
It looks like it is watching us.
The air is very cold but fresh.
Yes, but I still like it.
Let's walk a little closer to the snowman.
Okay, but it is slippery here.
Be careful, don't fall.
I am fine, don't worry.
Our snowman looks better from this side.
Yes, it looks really nice.
I think we did a great job making it.
Yes, we made it perfectly together.
I want to stay outside a little longer.
Me too. This moment feels so good.
My hands are getting cold now.
I told you to wear thicker gloves.
Next time I will listen to you.
Let's take a quick photo with the snowman.
Good idea. Stand right here.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. I will take it now.
This is a beautiful memory.
Yes, I will never forget this snow day.
In a store.
Hello, welcome to the store. How can I help you today?
Hi, I am looking for some snacks.
Sure, we have many snacks here. What do you like?
I want something sweet and also a little salty.
Okay, we have chocolate, biscuits, and chips.
That sounds good. I will take some chocolate.
Great choice. What else do you need?
Maybe some juice as well.
We have orange juice and apple juice.
I will take orange juice.
Perfect. Anything else for you?
Yes, I also want cookies.
We have fresh cookies right here.
Nice. I will take one packet.
Good choice. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is my first time in this store.
Welcome then. We are happy to have you here.
Thank you. The store looks very clean and nice.
Yes, we try to keep everything organized.
I can see that. Everything is easy to find.
That's great to hear. Anything more?
No, that's all for today.
Okay, I will pack your items now.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Your total is ready at the counter.
Okay, I will pay now.
Have a nice day and enjoy your snacks.
Thank you, you too. Airport and delayed flights.
We are finally at the airport.
Yes, Jackson, it is very busy here.
Look at all the passengers.
Many people are waiting for flights.
Our flight is delayed.
Oh no, how long will it take?
Maybe 2 hours or more?
That is a long time.
Let's check the screen again.
Yes, I am looking now.
It still says delayed.
We can sit and relax then.
Good idea. I feel a little tired.
I will buy some water.
I will come with you.
Look at the shops here.
Yes, airports are like small cities.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, but waiting is boring.
I agree with you.
Let's sit near the window.
I like watching airplanes.
Me too. They are very big.
What country do you want to visit?
I want to go to Japan.
That is a nice choice.
Oh wait, I see an update.
What does it say?
Our flight is ready now.
Great, let's go quickly.
Finally, we are boarding.
This was a long wait.
Yes, but now we are happy.
At the city zoo.
Welcome to the city zoo.
Thank you, Jackson. I'm very excited.
Look, the lions are sleeping.
Wow, they look very strong.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love animals a lot.
Let's go see the monkeys next.
Yes, monkeys are very funny.
Look at that one jumping.
It is playing with others.
Now let's see the elephants.
They are so big and slow.
Yes, but very kind animals.
I want to take a photo here.
I will take it for you.
Thank you, Jackson.
Let's go to the bird area.
I hear many beautiful sounds.
Yes, they are singing.
This place is very peaceful.
Do you like the zoo?
Yes, it is amazing.
What animal is your favorite?
I like pandas the most.
Me too. They are very cute.
Look at the small baby animals.
So adorable.
I could stay here all day.
Me too. This is very relaxing.
Today is a perfect day.
Yes, a happy and fun day.
Lost at the forest.
Lily, I think we are lost in this forest.
Oh no, Jackson, I feel scared.
Stay calm. We will find the way.
Everything looks the same here.
Yes, all trees look similar.
What should we do now?
Let's not panic. Just walk slowly.
I am staying close to you.
Good. Don't go far.
I hear birds and wind.
That means nature is around us.
Look, I see a small path.
Maybe that is the exit.
I hope you are right.
Let's follow it carefully.
My heart is beating fast.
Don't worry, I am here.
I see light far away.
Yes, that is sunlight.
We are getting closer.
Keep walking slowly.
I see the forest ending.
Yes, we are almost out.
We made it.
Yes, we are safe now.
I feel so relieved.
Me too. That was stressful.
But we did it together.
Yes, teamwork helped us.